Hello, Com 130. This is Caitlin Morgan with my final presentation. For this ad, I decided to go with Diet Coke for my product, and I was very fortunate in finding multiple ad campaigns. The reason that I chose this particular one is in my time as a graphic design student, my favorite thing that I have learned is that design is not decoration, it's communication. I take that with me with everything that I do. And one of the first things that comes to mind for me when I think about that quote is that simplicity goes a long way. And that is why I chose the It's Mine campaign. I felt it was powerful in its simplicity. So let's take a closer look. The design they used for the ad is this beautiful woman, this beautiful dress, and she is reaching in an almost ridiculous extreme pose for the product. I felt like this was a simple photo with a strong meaning behind it. There's a target demographic here that you're getting, and what I love about this is even if you are at a black tie affair, it's perfectly okay to reach for a Diet Coke. The typography that they used is also simple. They have a short tagline, and they used a sans serif font in a regular for its and a bold for mine, which really emphasizes the importance of this product they're discussing. The sans serif fonts that they used were bold enough to really get their meaning out there, but they do not detract from the Diet Coke logo that we all know and love. Now let's go ahead and take a look at my new ad. This was a lot of fun to design, and I really appreciate the peer feedback that led me to this design decision. It's the same type of ad. It's a man instead of a woman, the same reaching position, obviously a baseball player reaching for a line drive, but instead he is reaching for this product. It's consistent, but it's absolutely meant for a different demographic. Just like the original ad conveys, it's okay to reach for a Diet Coke at a black tie affair. This is showing, but hey, it's great for a ball game too. I decided to not use black and white. I could have made this photo black and white, but I felt that it was consistent enough in the position and the typefaces that I used, and I didn't need to stick with that black and white. I really wanted to showcase a different demographic, and I felt that this did that strongly. For the typography, I used the same sans serif font, but I actually changed the tagline to "and mine." And that was just another way that I was showcasing, hey, this is a product meant for everybody. I felt this was a consistent design that could be the second in a series of this ad campaign from the It's Mine original campaign. And then this would be and mine. And then the next one could be, a child reaching or a mother reaching and so forth and so forth. And really getting out there the target demographic. I stuck with black for my type, and I kept the background clean and white with just kind of an ombre gray background. And I did this because the red and Diet Coke logo really pops off the page, and I did not want to detract from that. And I closed with another version of the common Diet Coke logo with the gray background and keeping that red as the front runner and popping off the page. So thank you so much. I appreciate you watching and all of the help that I received during these peer reviews, and I look forward to my next design endeavor.